Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1976 to discover broccoli casserole. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. Okay, before I do anything today, I am starting my Christmas series. I'm not going to be doing an entree during this series. I've decided to do some amazing side dishes like this one you're about to see, of course a cocktail, and I'm going to even hit on breakfast. So let's get started. So this 1976 dish is fabulous. It's got cheese, it's got cream of mushroom soup, it's got all the wonderful things that just make a side dish perfect. Okay, so here in my happy little bowl, I have 2 packages of frozen chopped broccoli, 10 ounces each, which I've cooked to the package directions and I've drained. So here we go. Here's our beginning. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna take a potato masher or a fork or a spoon if you don't have one, because we wanna mash the broccoli. Why do we mash the broccoli? I can't tell you because it's in the recipe and it's 1976 and you know I don't mess with recipes and I certainly don't mess with the 70s. And by the way, little tip, potato masher makes amazing guacamole. I use it all the time. Okay, so we're just gonna mash, which really isn't mashing very much more, but that's okay. Oh, I am totally getting you out of the way. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. Now we have our mashed broccoli. So my oven is set at 350. This thing is gonna come together in minutes. So to our happy little bowl of chopped and mashed and cooked broccoli, we are gonna add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, as I already said. We're gonna be adding 3 eggs that I've already beaten just a little bit to get them going. Next, I have 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And I have 1 cup of, oh yeah, it's the 70s, mayonnaise. This is just, okay, so it's the holidays. You can get away with this. You're allowed on the holidays. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 4 tablespoons of chopped onion. Make sure they all get in there. And then we're just gonna mix. So I am gonna start this so you don't have to sit here and watch me. And I will be right back when this is thoroughly combined. So now we are all completely combined. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right, so next I have a 2-quart casserole dish that I'm just gonna bring on in. And what do you think we're gonna do? You guessed it. In goes our mixture into our casserole dish. And this makes quite a bit and you will have very, very, very happy company if you try this. Okay. Spread around. Now the last thing we do is I have a 1/2 cup of cracker crumbs. I have saltines because that's what I had in the house and they work perfectly. You can use butter crackers, you can use any kind of crackers you like, and if you want you can probably add breadcrumbs instead, but you know, original recipe, original recipe, original recipe. So off we go with our breadcrumbs. Just sprinkle them all around. Whoops. And now this is gonna go into our 350 oven and it's gonna bake for 45 minutes. So we'll be back when this is gorgeous. So it's been 45 minutes. Oh, look at this beautiful thing, broccoli, cheese. How can any dinner possibly go wrong? So I can't wait anymore. Let's go ahead and serve some up. Look, it's browned on the outside. Gorgeous and steamy on the inside. Guys, this casserole is unbelievable, and I just hope you try it. It is so good. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy eating the past, and I'll see you in the next video.